Hi, hope you are doing great. So currently this morning I'm in a farm. This farm is actually owned by one of my friends. So actually the ponds you guys are seeing currently now, there are fishes inside, but we have like 3 to 4 empty ponds available currently, which are out for rent now. For those that are aspiring to start the catfish farming business in the year 2023, so we have ponds available for you guys to rent. So these are 30 feet by 20 feet, and it can actually take 2,000 to 3,000 pieces of fishes to maturity. So in case you need a space to farm fish for next year, you can easily slide into my DM and make your intentions known. All these ponds, as you are seeing them, there are fishes inside, and we have ponds available to the extreme end there. We have like 3 to 4 open ponds available for rent. So if you are interested in renting a pond for next year, you can slide into my DM and make your intentions known. Like I said in my previous video, put catfish farming business in your business list for this year. It's a profitable business if you do